In this demo, I'm going to show you how to bridge your tokens from Ethereum to a Layer 2 blockchain. Layer 2 blockchains provide cheaper and faster transactions for users. So let's dive in. First, you'll navigate to your Xerion browser plugin wallet in the top right of your browser. Then you'll see 4 icons next to the swap button. The one that looks like a bridge or a rainbow is the bridge function. You'll click on it to open the Xerion bridge. On this page, you'll see at the top under bridge, from and to. From is the blockchain you're bridging your tokens from. To is the blockchain you're bridging your tokens to. To see more blockchains than just Polygon, click on the down arrow next to Polygon. You have many choices of where you want to bridge your tokens to. Today, we're going to bridge our tokens to Base, the Coinbase Layer 2 blockchain. Then you're going to see a send box and a receive box. In send, you'll put the token you want to bridge. In to, you'll put the token you want to receive. In both cases, I want to receive Ethereum. To select Ethereum in the receive box, I'm going to click the down arrow next to Comp E. You can see there are many tokens to choose from. If you choose a different token than Ethereum, the bridge will automatically swap your ETH for that token. Now I'm going to select Ethereum. Next, I'm going to decide how much ETH I want to bridge to Base. Once I've entered in the amount I want to bridge, I'm ready to review the information. You might have noticed this bridge fee is quite high, $36. I do not want to pay that. Luckily, Xerion is integrated with multiple bridges, so I can switch the bridge and find a cheaper one. I'm going to do this by moving my cursor down to bridge and clicking on the icon. This is the pink box with the 2 white bunnies in it. I can open this page and select a new bridge. I'm going to select the cheapest one and click Save for this transfer. Now I'm ready to send. So I click the send button, I review the information and my wallet pop up, and I click Confirm. To confirm my tokens made it to Base, I'm going to click on the Xerion icon in my browser to open the wallet. In the top right, I'm going to click on Ethereum to open up New Networks. Then I'm going to select Base. This will switch the network to Base, and now I can see the tokens I have in my Xerion wallet on the Base network. And that's how you bridge your tokens from Ethereum to a Layer 2 like Base from the Xerion wallet.